guys, Ben here, welcome back to another video, and I'm in a different place, as you can see, and today I'm with my friend Gideon. Hi guys. I've moved over because I didn't know how big the camera is. Well, I guess. So, today it's a bit different. Yeah. We're using fidget spinners. Get yours out. Epic fail. Okay, we'll carry on the video for no reason. Wait, hold on. And today, stop. The cheating. Okay, that don't count as what the challenge is. Well, the challenge is whoever spins the longest will have the amount of times. And you know, we'll have to do a weird dance in front of the camera. We made a deal on this.
Do you know what? If I win, I'll just do a weird dance for the sake of it.
I'll do it as well since I'd lost and I had to do it. Anyway, let's do. So, 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't. Hold, stop. 3, 2, 1. This is gonna take a while, as you can see. 5 hours later, 10 million years later. No more. We're just saying that for no reason.
Isn't it? OMG, I accidentally stopped.
Oh! 1 point for me!
We'll have 3 rounds of this, guys.
3 rounds. 3 rounds. 3 rounds. Might take 3 minutes. That'd be very
We're on to
funny.
the next round.
It's 3. Put it up just in case. 3, 2, 1. I didn't even get my line.
Guys, I think I'm gonna win this.
Or maybe I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. I am. I will punch you in the face.
Show each other.
Okay, 1 point for getting mine stopped. Okay, whoever wins this round's the champion. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fair off. Cheater. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Ah! Great. Looks like you've got paralyzed. Hold on. Come on.
Wait, 3, 2,
1.
Ah!
No! Wait, I'm not cutting this video because it's the 10th time we're trying to do this.
Oh my!
Oh. Whoever wins this has to
This
do
is for the champion.
Or maybe we go up to 10. Who knows? You know what? Let's see who wins.
Hey, you extra spin!
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Cheat. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1. You went too went too late. Go. Ah!
3,
You're not
2, 1.
Ah, stay. It's not spinning properly. Trying to spin it properly. Okay, that still counts as the round's going. It's not even spinning right. My one is pretty rubbish. Pretty rubbish.
I think I'm gonna win this round, guys.
It's going up to 10. I've just made my mind up.
What?
It's going up to 10.
What is?
The video. 10. Whoever wins is 10 points. Now, the round's go up to 10.
You stopped it!
Okay, 2 points for Gideon. Maybe it's because, hold on. Okay.
This is the last round, guys, literally.
No, 10. We'll go up to 10. Now, let's go up to 10. Can we go up to 10? He tried a bottle flip and he failed. Let's just do this. 3, long time.
Guys, after a long time, we are finally on to round 10. It took ages of trying.
We've actually got 9, haven't we? Whoever wins this one is the champion.
Yeah. So, let's do this.
3, 2, 1. Ah!
Got anything sweet? You on a diet?
Stop, we're trying to make a video!
Idiot, get some sweets.
Oh, things not going right. No, seriously, it's not going right. I'm not lying. I think I've got the most rubbish one ever.
Oh my gosh, these are about the same speed.
Probably. That's all now.
Yes!
Yes.
I stood up and no one.
Oh, no, hold on. I've got an idea.
I'll do
Can
a
we
big
just...
one for you.
No, I've got an idea what I can do. Seriously. I'm not doing this because I've lost. I've got a good idea. Very good idea. The best idea. We made a mind
Guys,
up. It's not
let's come to the
to see who wins. So let's put these down. Do this. It's up to 3. Scissors.
Yes!
One
1-0.
point. Oh, yes, 1. Oh God.
2-1. Come on, lads. Come on.
1. Let's 4. Do 4. Yeah. I'm not doing it because I'm cheating, guys. I just want to carry on. I love this game. Okay.
2-2.
1 more round. I'm probably gonna fail, but who cares? Oh! Loser, you have to do the opposite dance. He's a loser. Loser and oh, I'm not even recording you. Hold on. I can't even do this. How can I do this? 1 sec. Can't get the good thing on it. Put your butt on the camera.
What?
Yes.
Wait.
Go on.
There's something to eat. Come on.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Okay, and that was the last dance. And now you do it. So that's the end of the video.
Bye, guys.
Hold on, no. Hold on a sec. Hold it. Let's put it back. The camera. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Bye.
Fidget spinners will.